Nigerian fried rice is a popular rice dish enjoyed in parties and in wedding gatherings. The beautiful color of this fried rice is achieved by combining different colorful vegetables and also the use of curry powder. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian fried rice. To make Nigerian fried rice, you will first need to cook your fresh chicken to extract the stock. The stock is what is used to flavor the rice. So bring your chicken pieces to a medium-sized pot. Season it with minced garlic, salt, curry powder, dried thyme, and bay leaf. After that, add about 2 cups of water to the meat and bring to a boil for 20 minutes. You will also need to cook your beef liver. So add that to a small pot and season with white pepper, stock cube, salt, onions, and 1 cup of plain water. Bring the liver to a boil at the same time with the chicken. While the meat is cooking, rinse 4 cups of Basmati rice thoroughly under the tap. This helps to remove excess starch from the grains. Once you're done, leave the rice to sit in the water until you're ready to use it. Let's check on the meat. At this point, the liver is done cooking. Strain all of the pieces from the broth. The chicken is also ready. Strain it also from the broth and set aside. Go ahead and heat a large pan on the stove top. Add about 1 liter of vegetable oil to the pan. Once the oil is heated, add the chicken pieces to it and fry on each side for 5 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Let me quickly show you how to dice your liver for this fried rice recipe. Simply cut your beef liver into small cubes of about 1/2 inches thick. You don't want the pieces to be too tiny, otherwise they will shrink and dry up too quickly in the oil. Once you're done dicing the liver, add it to the oil and fry while stirring until they are slightly golden. You can then drain them and set aside until you need it. It's time to cook the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a large pot. Once it's hot, add the rinsed rice to the oil and toast for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the liquid in the rice should have dried up. Add in some chopped onions, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Stir them together with the rice until well combined. Tossing the rice in the oil with the aromatic spices ensures each grain absorbs all the fantastic aroma. It also keeps the grains distinct and prevents them from clumping together. Now that the rice is translucent and fragrant, add about 3.5 cups of the chicken stock you just got from boiling your chicken. Just to make this clear, I added extra stock from the freezer to make it up to 3.5 cups. Now season the rice with white pepper, a little bit of chicken bouillon, dried thyme, curry powder, and a bit of turmeric powder. This gives it a vibrant color at the end. Obviously, you don't need to add salt again to this rice because the stock is rich and is really tasty. Cover the rice and let it simmer on medium heat for 20 minutes until all the liquid is completely evaporated. So while the rice is simmering, let's prep the veggies. You want to make sure that all your veggies are chopped or diced up into even or uniform size so that they blend beautifully with the rice grains. And I find this really appealing when all the vegetables are even in size. For the veggies, you can see we have some chopped scallion, chopped green beans, carrots, red and green bell peppers, sweet corn, and frozen peas. So these are all the veggies you'll be needing for this fried rice recipe. Let's check back on the rice. You can see all the liquid is completely evaporated. And just look at how fluffy and attractive all the grains are looking. Give this a quick fluff and leave this to cool slightly. Let's assemble the fried rice. To a wok, add about a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Then go in with 1/4 cup of chopped onions and half teaspoon of minced garlic. Saute these for 3 minutes until fragrant. Once this is fragrant, you can start adding the veggies and stir fry. Green peas, carrots, and green beans take much longer to cook. In that case, I'll be adding them first and cook them for about 2 minutes before adding the rest of the veggies. You will also need to season the veggies, just so that your fried rice doesn't come out tasting bland or unpleasant. So add some dried thyme, white pepper, and of course our signature seasoning, which is the curry powder. Also add a pinch of salt and chicken bouillon stock to it. Continue to stir fry these on medium heat until you notice a vibrant color of vegetables. After that, bring in the rest of the veggies, the bell peppers and sweet corn. These veggies take very little time to cook, so adding them towards the end is the best option. Obviously, this is a large pot of vegetable, so you will need to divide them into equal portions before stirring in the rice. This will give more space and allow your rice to toast properly and combine well with all of these vegetables. Once you're done scooping out some of the veggies, stir in 3 cups of the cooked rice. Toast the veggies and the rice on medium heat for about 3 minutes. This is the reason why it's called fried rice. So make sure you continue to stir fry these on medium heat until all the flavors are well combined and the rice is heated through. Once you're sure everything is well blended, you can then add in the fried liver and stir to combine. You can see this is beginning to make so much sense. The rice is looking good already. Garnish with some chopped scallion. Now leave the rice to cook a little bit for about 1 minute until it is well heated. I will just turn this over into another pot and then repeat the same process with the remaining rice and the vegetables. When you're done making your fried rice and you're sure everything is perfectly combined and you are happy with the taste, you can remove it from the heat and serve. This Nigerian fried rice is best served with some fried chicken. So bring in the fried chicken you have prepared earlier and enjoy this along with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this rice recipe, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please remember to subscribe, hit on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, have a great day and a beautiful Christmas. Bye!